Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a La Pavoni. We did the basic tune-up, or group head tune-up with gaskets, and we also did a little work in clearing the pressure stats, so we have nice, good solid pressure. With a little liquid into the group head, and now we'll see how our shot comes out. There we go. Probably could have tamped this a little harder. Still come out with a nice little shot of coffee here. We can still feel some of the resistance. Let's check the steam. Nice strong steam. It's great espresso machines. Thank you so much for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.